Okay. This is why this and that's the reason. Okay, because you're having interview exam this month, next month, up to when? Up to April month. Okay, April month full hiring will be there. At least this 2 months hiring time. Okay, getting fine. But at least by April you should be getting, because April month, like how in the month of March you'll be having job exams na March month, your 10th there, inter there, whatever there in India or Hyderabad, whatever there, March is a month of what? Exams. Yes or no? Like first in year there, singly March month total means what? Exams only. Traffic jam that will be there commonly khatam. Exams will be there. Not only one exam, 10th, not only 10th. 10th will be there, inter will be there, that exam, this exam, BCom, BTech, whatever there will be there in the month of March. Same thing when you're taking admission in a school. Now you do not taken. Suppose you're taking admission. Which month you be taking admission? Like June. Okay, mostly in the month of May or June. Same thing in the company. Hiring will be there. Okay, 1 month will be there, hiring month. That hiring month is what? April month. In the month of April, people what they do, suppose we have experience. I'm expecting suppose a 9-10 lakhs package. Company providing what? 7 lakhs package. I'll say if you're providing me 7-10 lakhs or 9 lakhs, I'll be staying in your company. Or else I'm giving a notice period, I'll go to other company. So in the month of April, people get what? Totally separated. Khatam. You give, I'll go. You give, I'll stay here. Not giving, khatam. Okay, that is the reason that now TCS got brain now. Now TCS 1 now. Okay, two second position now. That's why what they're doing there. Before old person goes, understand the point now. Before the, suppose I'm there now. Before I go, what I'll say, teach the new freshers and go. Got the point? Huh? That's why it is hiring what? Before the time. Before you're giving a notice period, 3 months notice period there. So before 3 months completion there, if this 10 people, 20 people, you have to train them in your project, then you can, I'll see then. If promotion there, I'll give promotion or hike, whatever there, or else you can go to Capgemini, Infosys, whatever company there, you can go. So what is happening there? 10 students, 20 students not getting training there. Before time they got training there. Now in the month of April, all companies hire, but before time only got hired and training them. I'll be ready, available. This is a logic happening with the TCS now. That is the reason they are hiring in bulk, because now they don't have any financial problem, all this problem. But other companies having a problem, financial problem. Financial is what? Not financial also. Brand is not that much brand. But now TCS is the brand, okay. Not a normal brand, more than international brand became. Okay, that is the reason TCS is hiring in bulk, training them before the time, till the month, April month, all will be ready. That is the logic of the TCS now. Okay, that's the main logic. So by April month, you should be ready, or this 2 months at least. That's why they kept exam again on what? 16th. Because for few girls, okay, or boys also. Boys, I don't know, okay. And don't laugh. You know, Tata taken airlines. Yes or no? Airlines. So some girls may get job in the airlines. It may be billing, or it may be staff member, queue member, whatever there. Okay. They may even provide training about air hostess also. And if you're a boy, maybe guardsmen, all these things will be there. Okay. That is the reason they ask their what? BPS. They didn't ask IT. On 16th exam, you're right now. You're not applying for IT there. You're applying for what? BPS. So when you're applying for BPS, you're not like a customer support job will get. That also will be there. But you'll be working for companies like what? Jaguar. Okay, many companies. I can't even describe also. Telecom there. Okay. Tata, Vodafone, whatever it is. Or airlines company. Wherever many sub brands are there. So for that, companies will be working. Okay. Instead of working any like what normal company for call center, these things, if you work in the TCS now, after 1 month you work. After 1 month you can change. Example, I'm working now what is a customer service. I'll be writing mails or talking or whatever it is there. After 3 months or 4 months, they'll check now. Vacancy will be there now. Vacancy will be there. Now they'll say, example, Naveen there now. I'll see, okay, Naveen is good in coding. He's interested in coding. But due to some kind of a problem, he came into BPS. Okay. Now he doesn't like the BPS job. He want to go to IT field. So now I'll be shifting that what Naveen to what now in IT. Like this, the changes happens. And sometimes, already, reference will be there. Okay, but teachers are not like reference because they hire depending upon what caliber, at least looks and likes. Nepotism. White color. Okay, height matters. If you want nice company, Capgemini. For boys only. Girls will be there. For boys, just you have need to have two things only. Talking and height. Khatam. I've seen. You won't believe, but if once you go to at least high-tech city, you'll automatically see. Will be there a restaurant there, like how will be having a suppose KFC or some restaurant. KFC anyone can go or only high rich people should go? Anyone can go. Yes or no? Any shopping mall there, anyone can go. All the rich people should go, or only middle class people should go, or anything like that. No. So once you go to high-tech city, when there'll be a ground palace like this ground. Now it's not there because Corona there. It's not there. Empty it is now. Total high-tech city is empty now. But when you're getting time, just go there. So one place will be there. Well, all companies, people, employees will come and eat there. That time you can see them. Bhaya one doubt, a server doubt, please tell me. He'll say. Tomorrow you come and have you said. So 90% they don't know I'm saying. These two things matters. Talking and height, color. Openly I'm saying, okay. And no, don't sing like suppose color not there, height not there. Programming knowledge there, not there. Because suppose 100 people, not 100 people, 100 people, suppose 100 people are there. 20 people will be what? Handicapped. Now handicap you'll see, look, height, this thing. Handicap people are more intelligent than us. Okay, this you believe or don't believe, I don't know, but I believe. So I don't know, they say God this. If they have that much, suppose they have hand, everything, then there'll be something they will again. Okay, so that's why the people who has to make how they create it like this only. So in handicap people also will be there. They'll be having more brain than us. That is by default. Okay, I can't select by training or by birth, all these things. By default, will be having. By default. So the handicap people also gets hired. So not like color, all these things. That is extra things will be there. This will be extra things. Okay. Now in the offline, will anyone see a face? No. But online they'll see na. Offline they're not there. Okay, you're sitting in separate cabins. So when you're going, at least in the online interview, dress properly. Shirt only. Dress properly, comb properly, all these things and go. Okay, in interview. Got the point now? Openly I'm saying again, don't ask that thing, this thing. This I observed, okay. I can't say names or anyone I can't point out. One of my friend only there. 70% is there. Don't know coding. Beauty there. Khatam. 8 lakhs package. No coding. Don't even know how to copy and paste also. Not luck. Talking power. Only what? Talking power at least. Khatam. So not like everyone is coding only there. After joining company, what you want to switch, you can switch and say as a main thing. Not like every time I'll be into coding only or in the networking only there. Whatever you want to change, you can change. Say in American movie, whichever class you want to sit. Same thing in the company. You can change the groups, companies, area of working, domain, all these things. Okay. But people are switching who want to go to MS or who want preference in the job, in the company. Because when you apply TCS now you got the point. When you're filling up the form, asking their certifications, seen, not seen at least. I don't know how many have seen. We'll be asking for certifications. How many have seen at least? I think at least 90% people have seen. So they will be asking certifications. What certifications will keep there? Got the point, no? That's the reason I'm asking you to focus on what a PCP. This exam you write, one-time investment, khatam. This fellow having PCP exam, okay, khatam, hiring, khatam. No chance of thinking, hire or not, no. This person having certification, that also what certification? PCP certification. No chance of thinking, yes or no. Suppose any high IT person comes there, will you have doubt? Is he capable or not? Tell me once. One IT faculty came or IT person student came, will you have a doubt on him? No. What is the thing you'll have in the mind? IIT qualified. Yes or no? When you're hiring the PCP certification, the same thing. Before hiring, I won't think now. Hiring certificate, khatam. He's perfect for the company. One way of shortcut, I'm saying. One way of what? Shortcut. So at least in the month of March, April, May, whatever time is getting, at least save some pocket money. Please write this exam. Okay. Here, I think only 4 students wrote here. Okay. My previous batch students, only 4 students wrote. One of the name is what? Pratik. One more wrote. Rahul also there. So who wrote? Nice package they got. As you wish. Okay. So click on what next there. All these things. When you're getting some time, read these points. Next. Okay. All these points. But I know that much capacity you have. So don't waste time. What point you read, what point not to read, you know now. Not like in first years now. Okay. First year, there is like this. This course aim to show what the program Python language is, what is used for. Let's start from the absolute basics. Like this, leader all these points. By saying only should scan. Khatam. Over. Way of scanning should be there. Okay. Please use a habit of what? Scanning things. Okay. By seeing you should be getting okay, khatam, over. When the software installing, are you reading the terms and conditions there? No. You want to use a software, khatam, you have to click I accept the agreement. Khatam na. You won't read this point, that point, this point. No. Suppose a condition not met there. Okay. I'll say what? I want to see your WhatsApp history, I want to see your YouTube history, points will be written there. Now I want to use a software. Suppose third line I'm not agreeing. Third point I'm not agreeing. Third point I'm not okay. So if I want to use that software, I have to click on accept the agreement. If I don't click, what happens? Closes. So what will you know? Any point there? Reading, not reading there. So people, what they do when you want to use some software, directly come solve done, accept the agreement. Khatam. No one read those points because I want to use that software. So what you have to read, not to read, you have to keep in mind. So next year, next. These things you read there. Coding questions will come now. So sandbox, okay, sandbox. What is compiler, interpreter? All this story part will come. Python by whom? All this things will come. Python goals, all this will come. %79% over. 86% over. 93% over. 100% over. Atam. Now next. Now they'll ask the coding questions now. Okay, this interface will be there. How you can write the code, all these things. How to get Python and how to get used. Next. Downloading of software. Next. Because all the things you know. Next. 89% over. Now you have to start with the keys now. What the time limit there? 15 minutes. How many questions you have to solve? 10. Points to score 7. Passing score how much? 70. If you don't score, again you have to repeat it exam. That's the only thing. Because you're not paying any kind of amount now. Okay. So no need to worry. So start Python example of what? High level programming language. Don't know. Just try at least. A complete set of known commands is called as what? Instruction list. What is source code? A program written in what? High level, or a source file, or machine executed by computers. Okay. Click. What do you call a computer program which directly executes instructions written in a programming language? Okay. What version of Python? 1, 2 useful nowadays? Expired from the market. What is C Python? We can integrate. Okay, Python with anything, C, Java, all these things, but not till not used. Okay. Select something there. Another name for C Python, just simply. Now, what is ideally at least integrated development environment? Which one or three? Three. Learning, interactive or integrator? Integrated. Next. What tool? Step-by-step process. What do you call a tool that lets you launch your code step by step and inspect it each moment of execution? Debugger. How did Python, the programming language, get its name? Monty Python Flying Circus. Next. Which are the example of Python file? py. Submit. Yes. Submit. Yes. So out of 10 questions, how many questions are correct? 7. Now you want to check what are the questions are there. A review test. First one is what? Correct. Next one. Next is what here? What is source code? Pseudo code is different. Source code is different. Please remember. Pseudo code will be behind where you write some logic. That's it. There. But source code means what? Totally are able to understand. Source means what? Totally are able to understand. When you can understand that program is in what? High level language. Means what? In English language. Okay. So source file means what? High level programming language. Next. So executing directly, it's called as what? Interpreter. So again, need a point. What do you call a computer program which directly executes instructions? Directly executing. Are you going line by line? Like what? Compiling time there? Compiling sort. First it will compile the code, will convert the code, then it will get what? Compiled. But in interpreter, nothing happens there. Directly what? Execution of the program will be done. So less time will take. Will take what? Less time. But people say what? In the writing part, Amul ice cream there, Jersey ice cream there. Both will give same taste or different taste? Different, huh? I don't know why. Both are same only. Brand name different, quality will be different, huh? Okay. Some other example I have to take you. Leave it. Because you're saying different, ice cream different, again, I don't know. Biryani will be different, at a guarantee I'll give you. Ice cream will be same only. Not like roadside ice cream, company ice cream only. Not Arun ice cream also. Either Amul or Jersey, that's it. Who's the highest brand? Amul or Jersey? There you lag. Some people, not both. Not both. Muscati. Muscati is Hyderabad brand. I'll show you that will be there again. Okay, like how you're having Vijay milk packet. Yes or no? This brands are there. Okay, that is a secondary point. So it is called as what? Interpreter. Next year, Python 3. Now here, C Python is what? Default implementation of the Python programming language. Okay, by default you'll be getting the Python files in the what? C Python. Example, suppose here any Python program you open, 8.1 or whatever it is. Right click here, properties. What are you able to see in just what? Python. When I execute into what? Into C Python, na? When I convert that files, all the things will be the secondary part. Okay, we'll stop here. So debugger here, these 3 questions are wrong. Okay. So again, you just take a retext and then fill part. So like this, you have to complete all the modules. How many modules? 5 to 6, 5 modules will be there. You have to complete. Okay. Click on home. Say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're in what now? First module there. Which model? First. This is your homework part. You'll be having coding questions also there. Now we're doing it what? Quiz part. Once quiz done, you'll be having tests also there again. All this will be there. So follow this website there. What is website? edubay.org. Make a note of this one. And these are homework part. Only 2 questions solved. 1 hour, 2 questions solved. I thought at least you'll be having at least 1 star rating. So 2 o'clock batch I'll complete to at least 1 more 2 programs will do. Then you'll hang 1 star rating. Okay. I should copy first mail ID and properly all these things. Because mail ID is what from temporary there. Mail ID if you forget it, khatam. So here you what to do? You create your own mail IDs. Or if you want to use someone's temporary mail ID, then go to what website there, temp mail. If you want to use for temporary, okay. See here. No, I don't know. She gone. After remember now my email ID. No, new mail will come now. See here. No, 739 only. Yeah, same thing. If I click on again load na, new mail ID will come again. That's I copied here. Save zone there. Or is khatam. So I have to copy somewhere. That is not the password, that is a hint. Correct. See, some people are smart. So now to change password also. Fine. So don't forget this edubay.org. Okay. This is a homework part and we done it till here. Submit code. Congratulations came. Next challenge. Last one there. How can I have for past 3, 5? I should get 8 minus 2 and 15. Tell me now. Past print A plus B. I'll make it short. Comma A minus B, comma A multiply with what? B. Then separate equal to, I want line by line answers, no? So separate equal to backslash n. Khatam. First addition, subtraction, multiplication. That's it, no? Run the code. Okay. Sample test is passed. Actual test case is passed. Khatam. Submit code. Congratulations here. Okay. Next challenge. Now, how can you have 3/4 floor division, integer division? Simple. Print A 2 times now. This called as what? Floor division part. Then comma A by B will give what in terms of float. Separate them by what? Backslash n. Or else you can simply print first line, then next one will print statement. So done. Run the code. Sampling passed. Yes, passed. Submit code. Done. So 1 star rating should get done. So you got a first star. Okay. Again, you solve more 3 programs, you'll be getting 2 stars. So continue. Exit from screen here. Check on your what profile there. This is a profile there. See, 35 points more required to get your next star. And this is a profile there. Email address you signed up has not been verified. You have been ranked. Okay. Refresh once. Not verified. Not verified. Once wait. 10 mail. Hacker rank. So please verify your mail ID. Okay. This is the thing. Confirm your mail. Yes, confirm account. If you won't confirm, it will get deleted. Okay. So this will be getting. Okay. And this is a profile there. So how much percent is done there? 33% your profile. And how many ratings you have there only now? 1 star. Like this will be getting 2 stars and 3 stars. Okay. This you have to keep in your resume there. This is my hacker rank and this is my what my username. Vamoki C7319 is my what username. As of now, I'm using what temp mail. You created what mail ID properly and give name. Will come there properly. You can change the name, all these things, settings, all these things. So in hang time, do all those things. You can change the username, all those things. Okay, now? Fine. So I'll stop till here. Okay. So evening class will continue with what functions topic.